Hi everybody, this is CR number 23, helper video number 4. It says find the equation of the line which has a slope of 3/4 and contains the point 0.03. Well, first of all, we know that in slope-intercept form, it needs to look like this. Y equals mx plus b. Sorry about my messy handwriting. There we go. And the m represents the slope, and the b represents the y-intercept. Okay, so here's the deal. We already know what the slope is because in this problem it says it has a slope of 3/4. So instead of an m, the value I'm going to put in place of it will be 3/4. So right now my equation should look like this to start. Y equals 3/4 x. So far, so good. So let's try to eliminate some problems that we know would not give us a slope that looks like this. Well, this has negative 3/4 x, so I know that can't be it. If I go straight across, this one has a slope of 3/4 x, so I'm going to leave it. This one has a slope of 3/4 x, I'm going to leave it. This one has a slope of 3, so that one's out because it's not 3/4. This one has a slope of negative 3, so this one is out as well. So I have two possible answers that have a slope of 3/4, and that's what's in front of the x. That's what I meant before. I know the slope is not 3/4 x, but the 3/4 is the slope in front of the x value. Sorry about that. But now I need to know what the y-intercept is. If you look here at 0.3, some people might be a little bit confused as to whether that represents the y-intercept or not. Well, if I go ahead and draw a table or a graph, and I am going to graph the point 0.3, knowing that this is my x and this is my y-axis. If I start at 0, 0, the first coordinate, 0, means on the x-axis I do not move left or right because it's 0. Now the y-coordinate is 3, which means along the y-axis I'm going to move up 3 because it's positive. So let's just go ahead and pretend, and to graph this point, it would be right here. So my y-intercept is 3. So if I look at these two possible answers, I have a negative 3 or a positive 3, and that is why C is the correct equation that matches this scenario. So good luck to you.